everyone, my name is Lisset, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you for the first time I'm going to be using Cosmetics Heaven's Glow Radiant Veil Blush. This is in the shade Faded Clementine. There's also a version of their Magic Hour Radiant Veil Blush, which I already reviewed and showed you guys how it looked on the skin. I'm going to link it up here and down below. So this is what the packaging looks like. There's the M logo right there, and it's a magnetic case. This is a golden bronze hue mingled with rich tangerine to create a luxurious powder that imparts radiance and luminosity for multi-dimensional and seamless color. Formulated with an innovative blend of pearly pigments, this delicate blush layers beautifully for a warm, diffused glow. It's such a beautiful color and I really like it. So you can apply this to the cheeks and planes of the face using your preferred brush, of course, and then you can just add additional layers for more color payoff. Let me show you what it looks like on the skin. You can actually layer this. It's like a gold tangerine tone. It's super pretty. So let me get the other side. It's a soft fake formula. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. If you want to have more and more, just keep on layering it. Okay, let me contour my jawline. Oh man, it's so beautiful. Do you guys agree how beautiful this looks? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me contour the forehead. Do you guys see the glow from within? This formula has gold pearlized pigments, so that's why you can see the gold pigments there. So that will give you the glow from within look. And I just want to keep on layering this. I don't know why. It's so good. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit right here on the nose. This looks so pretty. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I'm loving it. It looks so beautiful on the skin. I mean, that glow, oh my gosh. Okay, I better stop. So the next product I'm going to be showing you is this. This is the Cosmetics Dew Crystal Lip Gloss. Gives you a high shine and comfort without the sticky texture. It's formulated with vitamin E to help condition the lips. This crystal clear formula glides on effortlessly like liquid silk. I'll show you the applicator. There it is. I do have some lip glosses, which I love also because they're non-sticky. And I heard that this one's also a non-sticky formula. So let's see, let's try it on the lips. I've seen amazing reviews on this, so that's why I bought it. Let me try it on, swatch it on the lips. I've seen amazing reviews, so it's already looking beautiful. One swipe. Glides on smoothly on the lips. It's already making them look beautiful. I love the applicator. It makes it super easy to apply it on the lips. And I love, so this is a clear lip gloss. And it's non-sticky. Love that. Gosh. So already I feel my lips. You feel and look voluminous. I really like it. So I'm super impressed with the formula of both of this product, the Faded Clementine Heaven Glow Veil Blush and the Morning Dew. supposed to. I think this is only for the lips, but I'm going to put some on my eyelids. Because why not? But this is just me, don't do it. I'm super impressed with both of this product. I really like Cosmetics products. I have a bunch of them. And I love Michelle Phan also. And I know she puts her heart and soul into all her makeup brand. So that's why I keep on buying her products. And I love the hybrid like the Morning Dew because it has vitamin E in it. So it also helps condition your lips. So I love that. I love a good hybrid. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Besitos.